treasure. Today I'll be doing something a bit different. I'll be preparing red herring. Do you know what it is? It's a fish. A bit stinky, but the flavor is very nice. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Can you see it? Yeah, that's what it is. Red herring. So I'll be preparing this here for you guys today. Alright, so let's just get into it. First thing, we're gonna wash our pan. I'm gonna take the red herring out of the package. Excuse me. Then we're gonna wash the red herring. We're gonna put some water in the pan. Make sure your water is covering over the red herring. Right? When you're done that, we're going to take it to the stove. We let it boil for give or take 20 minutes or so or less. All depends. But that is a boneless red herring, which is easy to prepare. So we let it boil for a few. And then okay, now I'm going to prepare my onions, my chives, my thyme, I've been cutting them up. This is chives, okay? I can wash them first. Before I start a cut, I can wash them first. Always wash your ingredients that needs washing. Always wash them. You can rest it in this small bowl right here. Very small bowl, sorry. Then I'm going to wash my thyme. I'm going to get an onion. See it? I'm going to peel my onion. Yeah, I see. I can see. It's just doing madness. Yeah. But yeah. Still getting it right. Yeah, it look crazy, but still the concept. Finish peeling it. I'm gonna wash it. Wash off my knife. Put it down in the bowl. Gonna get a hot pepper. Wash it. Put it in a bowl. Gonna wash off my cutting board. And then finish washing. I'm gonna start to cut my onion. If you want yours big, small, however you want it, you can do it. I didn't cut mine like this though. So what you can do is take these things over the bowl. Bring it slowly boil again. Right. So I can stop for a bit and I'll move that when I finish. Okay, now we are back. My red herring is finished. I'm going to take it off the stove, throw away the water, and then we'll start preparing it. That's steam. Very hot. This is how it look like now. I don't think you can see it. Now, we're gonna put it in the sink, turn on the tap on it, so it can cool down, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, now I'm going to like break it up. Just use your hand, take it, my hands, wash my hands or something. Break it up, or tear it up. Okay guys, I got my frying pan on the stove with some oil in it already. The pan next to it is my ground provisions, my dumplings. When you see dumplings, I talk like dumplings floating. My pan got some oil. My frying pan is very hot right now, so I'm gonna lower down the stove so I can put the spices in it. I then have some oil in my frying pan already. So here it's already hovering. And the hot pepper is optional. You don't need to use that. It all depends on your preference and what you like. I would like my spicy, but I don't know if you want my spicy. We're going to give it a stir. So when this is brown, when it gets like a color, we're going to put the red herring in. So now guys, I'm going to put some garlic powder, just a bit. Alright, just a sprinkle. That's all I'm going to really put in there. Now I'm going to put the red herring out in the frying pan. I'm going to add sizzle. The part didn't say put a little ketchup in it. Get this look. And right now, we're finished. Okay guys, now this is the finishing product. This is my ground provisions, my red herring gravy, some cucumber and some parsley outside. I know I'm going to enjoy this. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.